Alright, the topic is fraction and percentage, but for today we'll be looking at fraction. The question is, solve the following fraction: 1/4 plus 1/4, 1/2 plus 3 over plus 1/3, and 3/5 minus 1/5. Solution. When you look at the question number 1, the fraction is a mathematics that have the numerator and the denominator. The numerator are the number at the top, the denominator are the number at the bottom. When a fraction is given to you in such a way that the denominator, which is the number at the bottom, are the same, you don't need to do any other thing further. What you should just do is to add up the numerator, which is the top. By adding up the numerator, you get 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and the number at the bottom for both sides are 4. Therefore, why should we just write the 4? Because 4 is the lowest common multiple of this denominator. Just take 4 out of the 2, you bring it order. 2 divided by 4, 2 go into 2, we have 1. 2 going into 4, we have 2. That is your final answer. I hope you get it. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, the question is 1/2 plus 1/3. When you look at it, the denominator, which is the number at the bottom, are not the same. We need to look for a number that can go into the denominator, which is 6. The LCM there is 6. Why? Because 6 is the lowest number, that is the smallest number that can divide 2 and can also divide 3. 6 into 2, we have 3. 3 multiplied by 1, we have 3. That is when we get that 3 there. 6 going to 3, we have 2. 2 times 1, we have 2. Then we have 3 plus 2 all over 6 equals to 3 plus 2 is 5 all over 6 as your final answer. Yes, I hope you also get that number 2 example. Let's go to number 3 example and look at it. When you look at the number 3 example has the same denominator, which is 5. In this case, we don't need to go further. We just minus the numerator at the top there, and we got our final answer. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Bring your denominator, which is the LCM, under 2/5 as your final answer. 2 cannot go into 5 and 5 cannot go into 2. We stop at this place. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, like, comment and share.